It's getting really, yeah, I got it. Bad. It's getting really dark and lights keep going out and on. We lost cable. On Judd Road, firefighters struck under a tree. That just happened. Freaking crazy ass shit's going on.
Siding's getting ripped off. Everything on the side yard is all laid down flat.
Freaking, I told you the siding was coming off. Whoa.
I felt it skim the tip of my nose, man.
That would have freaking hurt.
Oh my god. Holy shit, man.
I've never seen that door open that fast. Phew. Oh, freak. It's getting bad. I think the neighbor lost power. I don't see their lights on. No, they still got them on. Oh, I can't even open this. Whoa! It's freaking bad. Holy shit. Oh, that shit. Can't say anything with that stupid light on. Oh boy, it's bad out here. It's getting really bad. Oh damn, Stepney is getting dispatched to that too. Dad, Stepney's getting dispatched to one of the firefighters stuck under the tree.
Furball.
He's a furball?
Yeah.
Where?
I don't know. No, he was choking. Yeah.
Yeah, he is a furball. What's up, buddy? What's all them rats you've been eating? Keep trying to play Grand Theft Auto on my iPad, and oh yeah, I'm playing it for a while, and then freaking power and freaking lights scare shit, and I'm at the back door right now. Can't see shit. It's freaking dark. Oh, you're a kitty. Oh. Oh no. Bitch slap. I'm gonna go.